Hi everyone, myself Venkatadivya studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore, Department of CSE AI. Today in this video, I will talk about the optimal binary search trees. Now first I will give an introduction about optimal binary search trees. Optimal binary search trees are data structures that minimize the average search time for a given set of keys. They are commonly used in applications such as language modeling, code optimization, and database systems. The efficiency of an optimal binary search trees can be measured using concept of accepted search cost. Next, I will talk about the key components of optimal binary search trees. The main components of an optimal binary search trees are the keys, the search probabilities, and the cost. Key represents the value to be searched in the trees. Search probabilities represents the likelihood of searching for a particular key. Now, I will talk about how to construct an optimal binary search tree. The construction of an optimal binary search tree involves the finding the arrangement of keys that minimizes the expected search cost. Dynamic programming is commonly used to solve the problem efficiently. The construction process can be divided into subproblems and solved recursively. Dynamic programming approach. Dynamic programming is a technique that breaks down a complex problem into a simpler, overlapping subproblems. The optimal substructures property of optimal binary search trees allows us to solve the problem recursively. By storing the solutions to subproblems in a table, we can avoid redundant calculations and improve the efficiency. Computing the expected search cost. The expected search cost of an optimal binary search tree can be computed using the concept of weighted average. It involves summing the product of search probabilities and the corresponding search cost for each key. The goal is to minimize the overall expected search cost. Algorithm for optimal binary search tree construction. The algorithm for constructing an optimal binary search tree involves building a cost table and a root table. The cost table stores the expected search cost for different ranges of keys. The root table keeps track of the root of optimal subtrees. Now I will give the algorithm and steps how to form the binary search tree, how to construct. Now insert 7. Step 1 is 7 is smaller than 20, so left. Second is 7 is greater than 5, so go right. Then 7 is smaller than 15, go left. 7 is smaller than 9, go left. No left child, insert 7. So this is the algorithm how to construct an optimal binary search tree. Now constructing the cost table. The cost table is filled in a bottom-up manner, starting with the smallest subproblems and gradually building up to the full problem. It takes into account the search probabilities, the cost of internal and external nodes, and the cost of optimal subtrees. This is the cost table, an example of the cost table. Now constructing the root table. The root table is also filled in a bottom-up manner using the information from the cost table. It determines the root of each optimal subtree based on the minimum expected search cost. The root table is essential for reconstructing the optimal binary search tree. This is example how to find the root table. Here we have took the example of 15625. How to construct a root table. Now reconstructing the optimal binary search tree. Once the cost and root tables are constructed, the optimal binary search tree can be reconstructed using a recursive process. It involves recursively building the left and the right subtrees using the root table. The reconstructed tree will have the minimum expected search cost. We can reconstruct the optimal binary search tree with the help of the root table. Now conclusion. Optimal binary search trees are efficient data structure that minimize search time for a given set of keys. They can be constructed using dynamic programming techniques. The construction process involves a filling cost and a root table, and the reconstructed tree has the minimum expected search cost. Here, how good is binary search tree? Binary search tree is here is the example of the binary search tree. How to construct the binary search tree? Thank you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe.